guys, we're doing week K2, yeah. We're getting straight into it. Let's get it. What are you two doing here? So let's go. What are you two doing here? The singing lessons are on Tuesday. Bap. I'm guessing you came back to challenge me again. Are you not satisfied? Boo. Bop. Bop. I don't even know how to say that. I almost lost my job because of you. You humiliated me in front of everyone. This isn't training anymore, kid. Oh my god. Get off me, Matt. Oh my god. Concentration, guys. Concentration. And you will be mad like that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's so close. He's getting there. He's is literally getting there. Oh my god. Oh my god, I beat it. Oh my god. What the absolute F-U-N-K is wrong with you? You mean, nice. Nice. I had patience. I gave you a chance. That's not even funny. Sing as loud as you can, no more will be able to hear you scream. I'll punch you so hard you'll forget how to speak completely. Bro, Matt is getting, aggressive, competitive. Jesus, let it go. It's just that rap battle. Come on, man. It's like it's not important to you like that. Oh my god. 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 Let's get it. Oh my god. Is this over? Wait, I think there's still more. I don't even know. Oh, there is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Let's go. It's kind of getting hard. We got this. We got this. So let's go. Sheesh. Oh my god. It's over. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I did my best. wiik2 was kind of hard. wiik was good. Um, so leave a like, subscribe, and hit the like button. Bye.